How to fix Omegle error connecting to server issue. Hello everyone and let's get started. So if you are not being able to connect to the server of Omegle, the first problem could be because of the network issue. So make sure that you're connected to a strong network connection. You can also go to the settings of your Chrome and then go to privacy and security. From here you can change the cookies and also clear cookies once and connect again to the Omegle server. You can also tap on cookies and other site data, and there you can add the site which will always take cookies as omegle.com. This should also fix the problem. Or if this is also not working, one way to make the network connection stronger is to change the DNS. For that, you have to go to the security option, and under security, if you scroll down a bit, you will find use secure DNS. Click on this Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS, and this should make the network connection better. After this, you can now again connect to the Omegle, or if it is a server error from the Omegle side, you might have to wait and then again log in. That's all for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.